We are warm here, but look up north, still looking at snow falling across parts of the upper Midwest, into the Great Lakes, into the northeastern U.S. as that storm system continues to push eastward, bringing severe weather to parts of the southeastern U.S. And that's what we're going to be dealing with as far as that part of the country for a little while yet. But for us, temperatures starting to moderate down here. 70 Corpus Christi, 74 here down here at Harlingen. Look at that, Amarillo still at 39, Lubbock at 42. But the winds are shifting back around to the east, and that's going to mean these temperatures slowly going to be warming up from south to north for tomorrow. For today, though, looking at a lot of sunshine out there, hard to find any clouds around, and that's going to take us into a mostly clear overnight tonight. Now, the winds coming in from the east means there's more humidity in place. Not a lot, but just enough. That means our temperatures won't be quite as cold tomorrow morning. This afternoon, mid-70s. We're going to have those winds again out of the east. They're going to be fairly light. And then those temperatures dropping down into the 60s quickly after sunset tonight, which is at 5:41 p.m. And then we'll see those numbers start to work their way into the 50s by around midnight, if not a tad bit sooner than that. So another cool evening. Might need a sweater as you head out and about for any outdoor activities after sunset. Mid-70s inland today, near 70 degrees there along the coast. East winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. That puts us very close to normal at 73. Overnight tonight, low to mid 50s, some upper 50s in a couple of spots. Those east to southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Still pretty close to normal for this time of year. 52 now is the valley average low, and some of us will make it to that number overnight tonight. Out on the island today, looking at plenty of sunshine, 70 degrees. Winds out of the east there at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Rip current risk is moderate. Low tide comes up shortly here, about 118. High tide a little bit after 10 o'clock tonight. So our next weather maker is another system that's going to bring us a chance for some rain. However, not a lot of heavy rain is expected. In fact, most of it I think is going to be light rain and drizzle. So tomorrow morning looking pretty quiet across the area, but there comes the front. So this is going to be the first of a couple of fronts. This one will make it through the valley late tomorrow into early Saturday. Bring the winds out of the north. They could gust up around 30 miles per hour or so right as that front pulls through. And then we've got an area of low pressure that's going to be developing just offshore. It's going to set us up for an overrunning pattern once again, where we have the cool air at the surface, moisture aloft, coastal trough of low pressure offshore, and then that cold front down towards the south. We've had that a few times already this season, and it's that drizzly, murky, kind of yucky type of situation setting up. So not looking for impressive rainfall totals between now and Tuesday. Maybe a quarter of an inch, maybe a half an inch. The higher rainfall totals looking to be offshore. Don't forget the Valley Storm Team weather app. It's available for free in your app store, and especially with the holidays coming around, people are going to be traveling. Take this with you wherever you may head out, and it will keep track of the weather where you are. There is your 7-day forecast then. So 76 tomorrow. The clouds will be on the increase throughout the day, and then 62 cooler on Saturday. And there you go, that rainy pattern all the way into early next week.